Controlling output can be a large concern for business. Confidential documents sent to print can accidentally be picked up in the output tray and potentially fall into the wrong hands. To combat this, administrators can enable forced hold printing, which comes standard with third-generation imageRUNNER Advanced models. When enabled, print jobs sent to the device will be held in a queue until the user releases them. This not only adds a layer of security, but also reduces costs and environmental impact by helping eliminate wasteful printing. To access jobs held in the queue, you must first log in. To log in, press your username, enter your user password, and then press Login. Find the Print button on the main menu. You may need to navigate to the next page. Use the arrow keys or swipe to navigate. After selecting Print, you will be brought to the print queue. Any print job recently sent to this imageRUNNER Advanced model will be displayed. When using authentication, only the jobs that you sent to print will be displayed in the queue. Administrators have the option to set conditions in Settings Registration to limit force hold printing to certain groups, departments, or individuals, as well as automatically cancel jobs sent from unknown users. To print a job on hold, you first must select the job you want to print. Before you print, you can press Display Image to pull up a preview of the document. You can use the arrow keys or swipe to view multiple pages, and also zoom into the image. Press back to close the preview. You can press Print Settings to change a variety of settings. These include number of copies, print range, color mode, single or double-sided, toner saver mode, the number of pages to print on a single sheet, stapling, booklet printing, and hole punching. These options vary depending on your device's configuration. To staple in the upper left-hand corner, for example, press the Change button next to Staple. Select Corner and verify that top left is selected. Press OK to confirm and return to the settings screen. Once you have made all of your settings changes and are ready to print, press Start Printing to release the job from hold to print. Right now, we are in the Jobs to be Printed tab. By selecting Jobs Printed, you can actually reprint jobs you've previously printed at the device. This could be useful if you misplaced your original document or if you simply need more printed copies. This saves you the hassle of having to resend the job from your computer. Select the job you want to print from your job history. Just like in the Print Job Hold portion of the demo, you can press Display Image to pull up a preview of the document, as well as make changes to the print settings. Administrators can also set the period for how long jobs will be held in the job history queue before being automatically deleted. The auto-deletion period can range from 1 hour up to 3 days. It can also be set off entirely. When you're ready to print from your job history, press Start Printing.